Hi vlog! Today is May 22, 1:35 ng hapon. Kakauwi ko lang galing ng work. Maaga ako umuwi ngayon. Tas ngayon pupunta tayo sa Kmart. After Kmart, magdi-dinner tayo sa Pratis Patch. So, yun. Nasa ibang kotse na naman tayo ngayon. Yan, ito ay Mazda. Mazda kasi yung CR-V ay sira dahil nakabangga ng kangaroo sa highway. When in Australia, si Janine yung nagda-drive, tapos nasa highway sila. Pauwi na sila galing sila ng airport. Kasama niya yung ate niya. Nagda-drive sila pauwi. Sobrang dilim kasi doon, tapos sila lang yung sasakyan, ganun. Nagulat na lang daw sila, may kangaroo sa harap nila. Buti na iwasan. Nahit pa rin yung kangaroo. Pero, at least okay sila. So, yung front ng sasakyan is sirang-sira. Try kong ilagay yung picture dito. So, yun. Kawawa yung kangaroo. Kawawa rin yung sasakyan, pero at least okay si Janine and si ate. So yun, natuon na yung sasakyan. Waiting na lang for call back from insurance kung anong gagawin nila. Sana magawa pa nila. Ay. Thank you pa rin, Lord, kasi okay ang lahat. Walang nasaktan. Okay naman daw silang dalawa. Pero yun, sana magawa pa rin yung car. Kasi sayang naman. Dito tayo sa Kmart. Dito na naman ang bill. Dito tayo sa Kmart. Sa K section. Dito si Yuna. Sila. 8 na lang. Janine and Tita. Saan mo yan? Dinosaur. Yan?
I hope she likes this. But I think we need a brush for her.
Brush.
Yeah. She needs a brush so she can put it up.
Don't you think it's too colorful? Let me see again the colors. Show the colors.
I'm not sure if mom likes it.
Too colorful.
Okay.
Let's find something else.
This? Okay. What do you like to prefer? You like this or this?
Maybe this. But does she wear eyeshadow a lot?
My mom likes makeup. Every time I go.
Let me see.
Every time I go.
Let me see that.
Every time I go to school, my mom wears makeup because she's training me. But she's gonna go home late. She goes to day tonight. My mom likes black.
Black. Yeah. Nail polish.
Yes. Her nails were black when I was in the Philippines.
you na kay you're gonna eat.
Look.
Vegetable.